spray tan artist just like me who was getting through a slow season in their spray tan business just because spray tanning fluctuates and comes in waves. And you are struggling getting some consistent content to post for your Instagram, your Facebook, your TikTok. Well, today's video, I am going to show you how to get endless content from one client. Stick around. Hello, welcome to Impressive Glow. My name is Gina, owner and educator of Impressive Glow Spray Tan and Teeth Whitening Training, where my ultimate mission is always to help women, moms, single moms learn how to start a side hustle as either a spray tan or teeth whitening technician and to build some financial independence in that process. All right, so one of the biggest pieces of advice that I give to my beauty business clients, because I do offer beauty business coaching, but one of the biggest advice that I give to them is your Instagram, your TikTok has to be consistent. Regardless, if you haven't had a client, because this can work with anything. Today we're going to specifically talk about spray tanning, but this could literally work for any business. You have to have consistent content even if you haven't had somebody in your studio or in your business for months. So when you do have clients in this slower season, you have to capitalize on how much content you can get from just one client. So today's video, I'm going to show you how much content I can get from just one body. All right, so we are going to show you guys how to get as much content as possible with just one model. It is totally doable. We are getting through slow season of spray tanning, so I want to show you how just consistently posting content is so important and how you can do that with one model and nobody even knowing that it's the same person. So let's get into, this is pre-tan, so at least we can take some pictures of what she should be wearing when she comes to her appointment, so you can get some pictures of her just in this outfit. So you can get her pictures like this. You can get boomerangs and all of these different things as well. Also, if you have something that has your business name on it, like a card or like a plaque or some kind of, I have this like tape stuff that I use for boxes, but it's kind of cool to be able to just kind of show off your logo. You can kind of do a boomerang or a picture with her just like this. So let's go through all of the different positions and the different areas where you can actually get some really good pictures of your spray tan before and afters. In every one of these sections, you can do a boomerang in that area. You can do a video kind of around her body, but I kind of just want to point out some key areas that are look really nice on your Instagram feed and your Instagram stories for spray tans. So first, I want to get her whole body, and I'm going to have her kind of angle her leg just a little bit, and she can put her hands on her hips. And you don't even, and this is even good for girls who don't specifically like to have their face in your video and your pictures, which is totally fine. We could do even just, the picture can just be from her chest down. So this is going to be a before spray tan picture for the full body. Then I like to get them to move to the side, bring a little leg up. She can kind of hold the side of her bikini there. Again, just the side of her body, doesn't need to be her face. Then she can go ahead and she can face me. I like this shoulder section right here. And this is really good because you're gonna have a tan line right here that you can really show off, like a boomerang where you can see the before and after, which is really nice. So we're gonna do right here. I also like the chest area here, especially for that bikini line here. I also like this tummy section. We can do right at like the bikini line where we're gonna have a really good before and after picture. And then the legs, again, out like this. Perfect. So that's all the stuff that we can do at the front of the body. Now when she turns, I wanna be able to get right here on the side of her arm, right here. We can do the side of the leg, which is really nice. Go ahead and turn around for me. I'm gonna get the back part of her here. I like the back part of her, small of her back at that section. And then I'm gonna get right here where this bikini line is gonna show, and we can really get a good before and after right in that section. And then right at the back of her legs. Perfect. Alright, some really good content that I really love to get is the application of finishing powder, because the girls love this part of a spray tan. It makes them smell great. It reminds them of like being nice and bronzy. So you can definitely get a boomerang shot of it. You can get a video, you can get pictures, but definitely get some content of you getting some finishing powder on your client. now is the fun part. We finished our application of our spray tan, and now we can get all the beautiful after pictures. You could literally do any type of picture, video, boomerang that you want, because now we have tan lines and you have this beautiful color. I will suggest, in terms of like where you're taking your pictures, it's actually really important that you keep it consistent. So wherever you're taking your before pictures, make sure you're taking your after pictures in the same place. The picture of like a before and after looks so much better if you can have consistent background. I also will say you want some really good lighting. Play with the lighting in your room. Natural lighting always works best. I'm not a fan of direct ring lights on top of their skin for either before and after, because it actually really washes out their skin. So I actually do prefer some overhead lighting, and maybe some, if you do use a ring light, use the natural setting on it instead of just that bright white setting that you have on a ring light. And you could literally do endless pictures. So we're gonna do some before and afters of the exact same areas that we originally had pictures of, so we can get some before and afters of that, and then we'll come back in and we'll do some boomerangs and some videos of all that. All right, so that's just some of the content I was able to get and be able to post together. You can post those separately. A couple key things also is when you're having a client come in, they can totally wear like matching outfits, the black and the black. That's just what we had to work with this time. So when you post those, it won't look as distinctive for the same person. Or of course, if your client completely chooses to go nude, it's even better. Unfortunately, though, you don't get the tan lines. But just work with what you have. You can get so many different pictures in so many different angles, so many different boomerangs. Girls with tattoos, oh, even better. Like, imagine how many different pictures you could get with before and afters of their tattoos. So the possibilities are endless. I think I was able to get like 12 or 14 pieces of content just from that one client. So I'm telling you, get as much content as possible. It is not just one before and after of like their entire body or their leg. Like, work with all the angles that you can get. Hope you guys enjoyed that video of all that great content we're gonna get out of just one body for our spray tan business. But again, remember, this can be done with any beauty business. It's also, I am going to create a little worksheet that'll help you in terms of all the positions that I used today. So if you're a spray tan artist and you want to just be reminded of how much content you really can get, I'm going to create a worksheet that has all the different positions that I used today, so that you can kind of go through it and check off the different positions that you want to get of your spray tan client. So thank you guys again for watching this video. I got more content coming up. Don't forget, I offer in-person, online, and a live virtual training for spray tanning and teeth whitening. So make sure you subscribe so my kids think I'm cool. See you guys in the next one.